India is building at a scale the world has never seen before. Faster, taller, wider and smarter. Traditional construction methods are an impediment to this scale of ambition. Addressing this opportunity is Utkarsh. With its pre-engineered buildings that are redefining possibilities, Utkarsh supports India's growth through infrastructure-grade manufacturing across steel and polymer solutions, spanning road safety, utility structures, steel tubes and pipes, with a complete piping and ducting portfolio. Engineering and fabricating in upwards of 40,000 metric tons per month. Built for India and trusted beyond, Utkarsh also has a growing international presence. With a 150-plus acres sprawling facility in Gurap, West Bengal, and 4 decades of industrial legacy, Utkarsh has delivered in excess of 8 million square feet of PEBs pan-India in just 18 months since inception, and another 10 million square feet of PEBs is under execution. With Utkarsh, you get certainty. Certainty of optimal design, certainty of timeline adherence, certainty of cost control, and certainty of peak performance. Utkarsh PEBs shifts construction from an unpredictable site-led activity to a controlled engineering and manufacturing process. Utkarsh PEBs are about engineering accountability for architects who demand spatial freedom and for engineers who design beyond minimums. A focused R&D center continuously upgrades the tech stack of hybrid structures to keep pushing performance beyond routine solutions. Utkarsh PEBs are engineered specifically for Indian infrastructure needs, taking into account seismic zones, cyclonic winds, extreme heat, and heavy monsoons. They are manufactured using top-quality certified steel from SAIL, Tata Steel, and AMNS. The Utkarsh PEB unit successfully uses AI in design optimization, letting custom-coded scripts interface with STAAD Pro to create efficient and cost-effective layouts. At Utkarsh, every frame is engineered, every connection calculated, every bit of steel optimized for strength and efficiency. The manufacturing begins with optimized steel selection. Primary frames are designed using high-strength structural steel. Secondary members like CNZ purlins and girts are cold-formed from high-yield steel. Roofing and sheeting are profiled in-house. CNC plasma cutting ensures precision. Strength is locked in by saw welding. Every member is shot blasted and painted before dispatch. Sections are built up, placing steel only where required. No excess, no compromise. Standing seam roofing enables screwless fixing for cleaner finishing and better leakage protection. A QA/QC team checks and tests at every stage before dispatch. Utkarsh PEBs deliver long clear spans for factories, heavy crane loads for manufacturing, and high roof heights for logistics and warehousing. Utkarsh PEBs don't limit creativity. They amplify it. We collaborate with designers and engineers to align architecture, structure and services to deliver custom roof profiles, integrated daylighting, insulation as per requirement, and hybrid RCC steel systems preserving design intent from concept to completion. Utkarsh PEBs ensure shorter project cycles, reduced site waste, and lower carbon footprint. PEBs today are no longer just industrial sheds. They are data centers, airports, sports facilities, commercial and institutional buildings. The future of construction doesn't just have to be built. It has to be engineered. For those who design with intent. For those who calculate beyond compliance. For those shaping the next generation of infrastructure. Utkarsh is your trusted partner for engineering possibilities with certainty.